How to link your Roblox account to Discord. So if you want to link your Roblox account to your Discord, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Discord at first. So open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and you just need to simply search for Discord. Go with discord.com. Make sure to log into your account. Go with login, which is on the top right. Once you've logged in, make sure that you've enabled the desktop mode. Go with the top right, which has that three dots, and you will have the desktop side right here. Once you enable the desktop side, now you just need to simply go with the settings, which is on the bottom left. So go with settings or the gear shaped icon, and it will take you to the settings section. Now under settings, you need to go with the left side, and here you will have an option to add account. So go with connections. Under connections, you will have all of these applications. So you just need to simply go with add accounts to your profile, which is on the top, and then you need to select your Roblox. So go with the arrow, and here you will have your Roblox option. Tap on Roblox. Once you tap on Roblox, it will take you to the login page of Roblox, and you just need to simply sign in to your Roblox. Once you've signed in, once you've continued, then it will be linked to your Discord. So that's how you can link your Roblox account to Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.